Activity 1, determine whether each function is linear or non-linear. So you have 5 minutes to 10 minutes to answer this. Okay, so let us answer. Number 1, we have 5y is equal to 7x plus 6. So, i-rewrite muna natin to sa format ng slope-intercept form. Although, kaya na natin i-identify ito sa pamamagitan ng kanilang degree. Pero, i-rewrite pa rin natin. So, we have 5y is equal to 7x plus 6. So, para mawala yung 5 dito sa nakatabi ni y, i-divide natin ito both sides of the equation by 5 divided by 5. So, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 1 times y is equal to 7x plus 6 over 5. Or, pwede rin natin isulat yan na y is equal to 7x over 5 plus 6 over 5. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, ang exponent natin is 1 and nakasulat na siya sa slope-intercept form. Therefore, itong function na ito ay linear function. Number 2, kung mapapansin nyo, ang highest exponent or ang exponent ng x is 5. So, dyan pa lang, kikita na natin na siya ay non-linear. Okay, number 3. So, i-arrange muna natin to. So, y. So, para mawala yung negative x over y dito, 9 dito, mag-plus tayo dito. Plus x over 9. Both sides of the equation. Plus x over 9. So, makakancel yan. Maiwan si y. So, y is equal to x over 9 plus 12. Okay, so nasa slope-intercept form na siya. And ang exponent natin ay 1. So, this is a linear function. Number 4, mapapansin natin ang exponent niya ay 3. So, this is a non-linear function. Ganon din sa number 5. Ang exponent niya is 4, non-linear. Okay, number 6. So, i-rewrite natin ito. Negative 5 times quantity x plus 7. So, that is y is equal to negative 5 times x. We have negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 7. So, we have negative 35. So, nakasulat na sa slope-intercept form. And the exponent of x is 1, and this function is linear. Okay, number 7, we have y plus 8 is equal to x over 2. So, i-arrange natin to. So, yung 8, para mawala si 8 dito at maiwan si y, ma-minus 8 tayo dito. Minus 8 din dito sa kabila ng equal sign. Para 0 yan. So, naiwan si y is equal to x over 2 minus 8. Yung 8 na nandito kanina. Okay, so ang highest exponent niya or degree is 1. And then nakasulat niya sa form na slope-intercept form. So number 7 function is a linear function. Number 8, so makikita natin na ang exponent ng x ay 2 sa non-linear. Number 9, so i-arrange din natin ito para maiwan si y. Mag-minus tayo ng x over 5 both sides of the equation. So x over 5 minus x minus 5 is 0. So naiwan si y is equal to negative x over 5 plus 14. Ang exponent niya ay 1, and this is a linear function. And number 10, so ang exponent ng x ay 3, so non-linear function. Okay.